I'm Sabrina Frey, and today I'm going to introduce you to one of my newest pieces called Blue Traveler. And this piece was created while we were all sitting at home in quarantine, having to stay away from the rest of the world and wanting to disappear into a little rabbit hole to go to another world. So that's what inspired this piece. I had a lot of fun with the geometry and kind of the awkwardness of it, and also playing with the blue colors. This piece was created using lots of shades of blue seed beads and different styles, different shapes, different finishes and textures and sizes as well. And it's designed to look like a stained glass piece. That's what the black dividers are for. But it also plays fun because it is actually created on a serving tray where the edges flare out, and so it kind of plays onto that optical illusion of the whole thing. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you get to follow my Facebook and Instagram page and also subscribe to this channel.